guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk to y'all about leveling up your Instagram and what tools that y'all can use to level up. So the first recommendation, one, lighting. Lighting is very important in your pictures. If you are taking pictures at night or during the day even, and y'all like that flash look, here's a flash that y'all can get. This was around like 200, 300. This is the Godak's V1 flash. The flash that has like the circle round. This is a great one. See? And then you turn it on just like this. And you charge the battery. Oh, can't see. You can even click it on so the light stays on. Say if it's like really dark, just click it on and you'll have the light and it will go off when you take pictures. And I really love this flash. It's so good. I've taken pictures of my sister for her birthday and for other people, and they came out fantastic. And my next product I'm going to talk about is my G7 not G7, my A7 III by Sony. So this is my A7 III, and the lens I recommend with this, just so it's not breaking your bank, is the Sigma 16. This is a great lens for starting out. I've did like close-ups and like I did mid-body shots. That's what I've gotten out of this. And I remember when I was first learning my camera, I was putting on the lens wrong, so like my stuff was not clear. It was shaky, and that was because I was such a noob in the beginning. But combinations for your Instagram pictures are going to save you a photo shoot. Like if you have these, you obviously don't need this camera and this lens, but if y'all are into cameras and the equipment that goes with it, you will love all of these recommendations. And I've been using the flash. I'm still trying to learn photography, so it's not A1, but it's getting there. So I just want to recommend those for anyone that's trying to level up. And if y'all can hear the talking in the back, that's my family. But that's all I want to say. And kiss, enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe.